nila. Etong sina Juan Gomez de Leaño. Hudson took it right to the cup. Baltasar cleans it up in the loudest way possible. Baltasar will offer the pick. Di naman ginamit. Hudson kicks. Archie from the baseline.
Kaya tuwan-tuwa rin yung mga nag-a-assist sa kanya.
Sahonia for 3. Finally, para sa Titan.
Alam mo, shooter to San Pedro. And there was one game in the last conference. That was against Meralco where he scored 25 points. Majority coming from Rainbow Country.
Ang bilis naman binawi ni Hudson sa kabilang dulo.
Tapos itong si Junicio, hindi pa nakaka-score sa laban natin ngayon.
Si Juan Gomez de Leaño nga, 2 points pa lang, pero he's got 5 rebounds and 4 assists. Sahonia now with back-to-back threes.
Nung makita niya ang stat sheet during halftime, ika nga niya, we need to contain Converge's points in the paint. Hindi na kami dumedepensa, nauunahan pa kami sa rebounds. Hindi na daw pwede maulit ang 90-plus rebounds given away, so the ask is to play with more effort.
Because you don't want anything untoward to happen the rest of the way in a blowout like this, Coach RG.
Tama. So, kailangan yung always keep your emotions in check. Samantala, what we're seeing is
It's a 31-point lead now para dito sa Converge. Sahonia, he's been the lone bright spot para sa Titan. Diguro ang ball.
pinuhat ni ang buhot. Anong sumabay? O kumbaga, hindi slam dunk doon sa meron silang all-Filipino crew or yung Filipino crew nila. Minsan,
Of course, hindi nagtagal. Actually, ng Philippine ka pa. Hindi nagtagal si Calvin. One conference lang dyan sa Titan. For moving over to Converge. 23 yun entering the port.
ganun ba?
Nanalo ng NLEX by 1. So, kinapos, kung ginawang 22, baka nag-over.
Oo nga, no? Ano?
Sumang fakes the pass, takes the 3. Roy lights it up.
Back-to-back threes once again for Titan Ultra. But this time around, they're knocking it down.
Dapat no conscience. Walang hesitation as Arana receives it from Abueva.
You have to play with a little more effort, especially.
Omega taps it, but it goes to Mikey Williams. No look. Papunta sa kanyang kaliwa. That's a big finish.
Yung hinahalin tulad natin sila doon sa kupunan na nakalaban ng Barangay Ginebra sa finals. So ang iniisip natin kung merong guest team, super slow-mo sila mag-execute ng kanilang half-court offense.
Ular down the middle,
Ayan.
loses control. Mikey will clear it.
Yan ang nangyayari. Because you're very slow with the way you execute your offense, it's very easy to anticipate if you're playing defense.
Tongkab lights it up.